Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on sound effects on the application of X-Twitter. Here we go to X-Twitter app. In this page, you will go to above to this window and you can click here. Here we go to this window. Then we click on settings and support. After that, we go to settings and privacy. Then we click on accessibility, display and languages. Here in this page, you will go to display. Then we click in this sign. If the sign changes to this color, then you can know how to turn on sound effects on the application of X-Twitter. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.